Hey everyone on YouTube, Captain Paul here. I live in Key West, Florida, and I wanted to talk to you today about weight loss. Obviously, I'm not skinny yet. I'm about 200 pounds. I started out at about 242. The number one diet in 2018, let's talk about that. Well, the number one diet in 2018 for me is eating sensibly at night and exercising. And some other things have happened where I found some other products that I really wanted to share them personally online with you. I tried, which in my interpretation, when I first watched it, it was designed for women, the Red Detox Tea program, except for I lost 18 pounds like that on it. So I wanted to put this out there on the internet. You have to drink a lot of water. You have to do some exercise. And in some cases, we're doing too much. And you have to watch what you eat at night. Besides that, any advantage that I can have in my life to help me lose the next 20 pounds is going to be so appreciated. So I've ordered the program, and it's worked well for me. So if you want some assistance on your diet, try the Red Tea Detox. I think you're going to be super happy with it. I provided a link below the video. Dieting and losing weight is all about action. So take action. Click the link. Watch the video. I watched the video and I bought the program, and it works. With that said, thank you for watching our video here. Have a great day, and from Key West, see you at the next video. God bless and take care. Bye-bye.